Well, back in early 2000, there was an industry meeting held to discuss how we might utilize 3D modeling software for preparing our shop drawings. The moderator asked the group what they'd like to see with respect to 3D modeling software, and I was one of the first ones asked. So without a lot of time to think, I said, I'd like to be able to draw a parking structure in a week. Some of you still remember that statement and have asked me over the years when that's actually going to happen. Well, the time is now. With the latest release of the 64-bit version of StructureWorks, we not only can do it, we have done it, and here's the proof.
2 drafters produced this 3D model, a complete set of shop drawings, piece details, and all related bills of materials in just 1 week. They started with a library of standard piece templates and connections. Then, in 6 days, or 108 man-hours, they completed a 400-car parking structure consisting of 256 pieces, 76 mark numbers, 13 sheets of erection drawings, and 36 connection detail drawings. The purpose of this demonstration is to highlight the significant competitive advantages StructureWorks can bring to your organization. Obviously, no design software can remove all the variables associated with an entire project, such as waiting for information from owners, designers, contractors, government, etc. Our aim is to demonstrate how StructureWorks can leverage your organization's knowledge of the vast amounts of information that are standard of the structures you design and allow you to take pre-designed templates and drawings and quickly customize them to the exact specifications your customers require. While not the most elaborate model, you can easily verify that it contains all the basic components of a modern parking structure. As each piece of this model was changed from the base template to meet job-specific standards, all of the related drawings were automatically updated and generated. This process enables the drawing to be like a report generated from the model rather than the user creating entirely new drawings. Please follow along as we describe how this impressive software allowed these activities to be accomplished in a week. We anticipate that you will recognize many benefits your organization would gain by using StructureWorks. The project is started by setting up a grid system which allows the user to control the geometry of the building, including, for example, column placement, floor-to-floor heights, and floor slopes for drainage or parking ramps. Next, precast components are added to the building using standard template products from the library, which contains the most common standard plates, lifting hardware, and reinforcing. Each piece is then modified to suit specific requirements of the project. Non-standard products are added as needed at this time. Then, connections are added. If both plates already exist and each of the pieces to be connected, the user simply completes the connection by adding the erection material with the StructureWorks connection tool. If one or both plates are missing, the connection tool is used to insert the plate into the precast component and complete the connection. After connections, the mark numbers are added to all pieces in the model. To begin the process, the user marks the first piece and the system then automatically marks identical pieces with the same mark number. Furthermore, the system will not allow the user to mark 2 dissimilar products with the same mark number. The user then continues applying mark numbers to unmarked pieces and allowing the system to mark the identical pieces until all pieces have been marked. Lastly, the user creates the erection drawings and piece details. Erection drawings are fairly straightforward. StructureWorks tracks erection drawings and stores information such as sheet number and title, job info, drafter, engineer, etc. Elevations and plans are created using assemblies called drawing assemblies. These are small assemblies of the components that make up the elevations and plans. There are also several StructureWorks tools to add mark numbers, grid lines, grid bubbles, piece dimensions, and various other annotations. Piece details can be created from scratch or cloned from an existing file. Once the first drawing of a series has been created, all remaining drawings can be cloned quickly. For a simple product with many mark numbers yet minor variations, the user may only need to open the drawing to ensure the BOM and dimensions have updated and then print the drawing. Even in the most complex products, which may require more input, 75% or more of the drawing is complete before the user begins making any modifications. StructureWorks will create an advanced bill of materials and erection bill of materials on the fly. As the user adds connections to any piece, it is updated in the StructureWorks database and can be exported to Excel as well as other standard databases. StructureWorks lowers your cost by reducing your total drafting time, which results in improved manufacturing efficiencies. Your drafters' productivity will drastically improve. The use of an industry-standard database makes for easy data exchange and the creation of template libraries. StructureWorks reduces your risk because it uses a worldwide standard 3D modeling package. It receives continuous input from industry experts and so provides you with fewer manufacturing and installation errors. StructureWorks improves your competitive position because it empowers you with faster-to-market delivery, which improves your customers' return on investment and provides complete BIM-compliant structural information to your customers.
So the question now becomes, would you like to improve your competitive position through use of 3D modeling software? If so, give StructureWorks a call and we'll show you how.